What do we have here? What are you doing in here? Do they have good deals in here?
They do have good deals in here.
Yeah. I mean, we're discovering stuff we find stuff like this in storage units. Yeah.
We've got some empty bookcases.
Oh, like these? Like these right here? That we're gonna be putting stuff on?
Yes.
Yeah, that's right. Right here. We're starting small, we're being smart, we're being conservative.
Yes. We decided to do 2.
Yeah, they do these by the bookcases. They do whole booths here. Let y'all know, this is the secret because we've been on the waiting list for a while. But we're excited. Right here. I mean, I may do a quick little tour, show you what they already have in here, but we're going to be filling some of this stuff up. It's right here, Prince George County, right on 460. If you're heading towards Virginia Beach, coming from Richmond, and you want to stop by, we're thinking about putting some of our stickers, things like that. People can find us, let us know you stopped by. We've just been excited.
Yeah.
Another cool venture. She's been getting into glassware, things like that.
A little bit.
We've liked some of the knickknacks. So we were just like, hey, let's give it a shot, you know?
I think it's going to be another avenue opens up to be able to pick up and source new things, have a place to sell it where we don't have to ship it, get a little bit extra income.
Make it look pretty.
Make it look nice.
All right, but yeah, we're going to show quickly just kind of the atmosphere here.
Yeah. How
we want to do things maybe a little different. We're seeing some stuff we have. We have stuff that we don't see in here, which is great.
Yeah.
Small town. This is where we're from, so it's smaller. It's more people, working class, you know. And you'll kind of get a glimpse of that just looking at some of the other booths and what they have. Break in traffic because we are on a very busy roadway.
Yeah, it's a main, I guess, highway.
For you all, it'll be in just a few seconds because we got to finish up today, get the kids, things like that.
Come back tomorrow.
And we'll jump right back and we'll be stocking some shelves. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
All right. All right. See, we said it would just be a second. We've got stuff and our empty shelves. So now doing the part that we're rookies at. Like
Yeah.
curating it, how do we make it look, and pricing everything.
Pricing, doing all the tags.
We started on a little bit last night. So, it does have a power cord up there. We don't have anything to plug in right now.
No.
But I think we will. Because I do want to do some like cool light features just to help it like stand out. We like the white shelves because everything else is a darker wood. So when you come back in this space, it kind of brightens it up a little bit. Okay, we need some more stuff.
Yeah, we could fit a few more things, but it's looking good. It's looking good so far.
We're excited. We're, like I said, we're new at this. We just kind of did a rough layout. We don't want to bore you with pricing everything, but yeah, once again, this is the Old Country Store, little antique shop on 460 in Disputana. Come by and check it out, because we do. We think if we do good enough, he'll probably let us expand a little bit.
Yeah.
If we can keep finding stuff. No, we're going to get everything priced. I got some other stuff to bring in there. He's going to let us use that little side space. And then we want to get like, you know, find us on YouTube. Put some stuff in here, like little notes and things like that. So we're going to wrap up the video. Thanks for watching. Short one, but congrats. We have a little antique booth.
We do.
And I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you like this stuff and you want to hear more about it, let us know. We can come here like every day. But we'll see you in the next video. We love you. Bye.